So after you've sent out a campaign or multiple campaigns, and similar to lists, as you can see this line here, the campaigns will just come one after another on this page. You're going to be able to see if it's sent. This will show you right here if it's sent or not. And you can actually look at the reports. Now there's two ways to get to the reports. Okay, the first one is to click reports right here. And then this allows you to view the email, to rename the newsletter, to replicate it, or to social share it. So if you click view, for example, you can actually see the email that's been put together. Okay, so go back. So you could view the report here, or you could click reports up here. So let's go ahead and view the report. And then this is going to show you how many people received it, the list that it was sent to, the subject, when it was delivered, etc. And you can see your average order revenue if you have products in your email. You can see your total revenue, how many orders, and this is only useful if you're actually selling things in your emails. Then you can see your open rate here, your click rate, and your list average open rate and click rate, and then also the industry average. So you can select your industry and get an idea of how your ads are performing compared to some of the other industry average clicks, click-through ratios. Okay, so here you can see how many people opened it, clicked on it, and how many bounced, and how many people have unsubscribed. And we kind of went over this stuff earlier, but this is for this particular campaign that you're sending out here, and then you'll be able to actually track your performance over a period of time. Okay, and then also subscribers with most opens, so you can kind of take a look at who your best subscribers are. You can also see your social performance, um, and you can see your top locations around the world. And this will actually become like, more like there'll be colors here and stuff once you actually are sending a campaign to thousands of people or more and you are getting some feedback. You'll be able to see how this all changes in a dynamic way. So that's how you can actually view the reports, okay? And then what you can also do is from here, you can um, you can do pro comparative reports, and this is only for pro users of MailChimp. Okay, so you'd have to upgrade to pro to do that, and that just gives you a lot more statistical data, and it's useful if you're running multiple campaigns and you have a much more large scale project going on. You don't necessarily need that if you're just getting started. Also, we're going to go over automation very soon, and then also landing pages. And you can actually create a landing page, which will then help you to collect data in a better way. Okay, so you could create sign up pages, product pages, and you can do that through MailChimp. Now, if you want to get rid of a specific campaign that you've created, you can click here and then you can go delete. It doesn't always allow you to do it though. Okay, so go to delete it and it's deleted. And the reason it won't allow you to delete it sometimes is if the campaign is actually uh, ongoing at the moment and in the middle of sending, and you're in a situation where you have, you're kind of in limbo there, it will not always allow you to delete it. Sometimes it will make you wait. Okay, so let's go back here. So that's how you manage, that's how you create and manage campaigns. And then also regards to lists, in fact, you cannot always delete a list. If a list is being used by a campaign, you're not going to be able to delete the list if the campaign is ongoing. And it'll tell you when you try to do it, and it'll give you an idea of how long you're going to have to wait before you can delete it. And the reason you'd want to take note of that is because if you upload a list that's really, really big, you're going to get charged based on the list size. So keep in mind that you might not be able to just delete it right away if you start sending out campaigns. Okay? That's just something you might want to keep in mind when you're when you're downloading your lists and when you're sending out campaigns.